can't go that way.
California, what's up, Bob? Be careful, sometimes these people. No. What are you doing? The fucker? You gotta yield. Shit.
Jesus Christ, man. Just cut me off like a... God. You just cut me off.
You know what the speed limit is?
I have it.
Do you know what the speed limit is?
25.
Yeah, were you doing 25?
Yep.
I didn't see you because of the cars and the trees. That's how fast you were going.
I'll send you the video.
That's
I'll
fine.
send you the video of the speed limit, okay?
Good. And
I'll
what
send
were
you
you
the...
doing?
I'll find out.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, I'll send you the video. What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Okay.
Stupid.
The Dutch East...
What does the mace do? Keep the nutmeg good?
I'm sure it says Sam. I'm sure it's a preservative of some kind. The Dutch East India Company finally had the monopoly Coon dreamed of. The conquered territories became a money-making machine.
Nope.
Coon ordered the destruction of 3/4 of nutmeg trees.
Wait, what?
To
Why?
artificially raise prices.
Jesus Christ!
Think,
Now
man,
all
this
of
is
it is
about
price
money. Well, you're done. You fucking... What the f*** is this?
Hey, I'm not fucking dealing with you on your phone. Get the fuck going. Go!
Honey, don't say the God's name like that.
Oh, shit. Stop. Car just hit the wall in front of me. Stop.
You hit the what?
He hit the wall.
Oh.
God damn it. I think he's all... No. He's still spinning out in front of me.
Oh, no.
So this is happening in front of me. This guy in the middle here was in the wrong lane, and he tried to plow in front of this guy, and he ain't letting it happen. We'll see what happens when they take off, because they've been beeping at each other. Oh, he can get out. He's gonna get out. Oh, no way. What is he doing? Wow.
Yeah, it's plant-based, and it tastes great. Try Double Arvada sandwich. It's a whole new
keep your T-cell count.
You keep your health.
You keep your health. You could lose not sitting around in a robe drinking chicken broth for the rest of your miserably short life.
You could lose your spot on a quilt.
Right. Lose that little square on the quilt.
Oh, fuck.
Which avoids common legislative snags like the filibuster and committee hearings. The president would then sign the law or veto it as well. And the NRA is you build in, and again, the constitutional has been in place for 25 years, you build in.
It's never looked at anything more than just a bright star.
Yeah.
But this email makes the rounds on the anniversary of that 2003 close approach of Mars.
So.
Dude, what the heck? There's this car that's getting pulled over by a cop, and they just straight up stopped in the middle of the road. Oh no, he's making him pull over to the side of the road. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Why? Dude, you just cut off a car!